I've been noticing a troubling trend with popular motorcycle brands recently. Recalls. There has just been yet another recall to correct a problem that was supposed to be fixed in a previous recall. We've seen this happen recently with the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R, and again for the Ducati Panigale V4 and Street Fighter V4, with both manufacturers issuing second recalls for the same problem. The latest example is from Harley-Davidson for the 2021 through 2026 Sportster S. Cracks occurring in the upper triple clamps. While the Kawasaki and Ducati examples were because the original fixes proved insufficient, Harley-Davidson's recall may potentially be the most embarrassing example, as the first recall's repair kit may have been shipped with the original faulty upper triple clamp. What's worse is even kits with the corrected clamps may also have casting anomalies in the ribs that were added to prevent the clamps from cracking. So in a way, this is a recall of a previous recall. These issues turn the focus to the component supplier, Wanfeng Magnesium Technology in China, which is responsible for casting and shipping the upper triple clamps. So yes, you have the added aspect of quality control issues from a Chinese parts supplier for Harley-Davidson. Wanfeng also partners with major automotive manufacturers like Audi, BMW, and Ford, but that's unlikely to stop this development from triggering large swaths of the Harley faithful. And in this case, the outrage would be justified considering the circumstances. The problem was first identified in September of 2024 after a customer noticed a crack in the upper triple clamp while washing a Sportster S. Harley-Davidson then opened an investigation, including engineering and materials analysis, with lab testing under different load conditions. Harley-Davidson then initiated the first recall on September 3rd, 2025, covering 8,424 Sportster S motorcycles. As of that point, it received 6 warranty claims, and 1 reported crash resulting in minor injuries that may be related to the problem. The first recall replaced the component parts with a revised clamp, which was also included in the production of 2026 Sportster S models. Fast forward to December 19th, 2025, when a Harley-Davidson dealer identified a recall kit that included the outdated upper triple clamp. Harley-Davidson then put a hold on all recall kit shipments and began inspecting its inventory. That's how Harley-Davidson discovered that some recall kits contained the wrong part, while others included the quote-unquote corrected pieces with casting anomalies. No additional crashes have been reported so far. Harley-Davidson initiated the second recall procedures on February 2nd, 2026, affecting 8,498 motorcycles. Presumably the original recall population, plus another 74 new 2026 motorcycles, plus 1,002 recall kits currently in dealer inventory. Dealerships will inspect their inventory and all recalled Sportster S models for the outdated upper triple clamp or signs of casting anomalies, and replace them with corrected parts.